So. Wow, so many so. This is Cijay here. Hi everybody. And I'm here currently at Cijay at Tampines, the best-selling development in 2019. And currently we have more than 50% sold in this development in just 13 months since its launch. And that translates to 1,100 units of transactions. My friends, how can there be so many buyers buying this development? There must be a value proposition in this development. So when we ask the feedback from the buyers, right, we actually found there are many reasons. So I'm going to share with you some of the reasons right now, and this may be one of them. We have the lowest entry price in Singapore, starting from just 1,100 per square foot. And with that, bear in mind that the EC pricing is also averaging around this price. So it is very affordable entry price. What's more, with the upcoming Cross Island Line that is slated to be completed within the next 10 years, you can see it's going to be very attractive for all the workforce that's going to work at the aviation park to come from places like Ang Mo Kio, we have Defu Lane, Tampines North, and all the way. So because of this, you can see that the workforce that we have is tremendous in terms of numbers. And we are talking about close to 750,000 workforce in the near future. So this will definitely bring a lot of tenant pool, which then if you potentially will want to invest in further down the road, this is also a good value proposition for you to consider. I'm going to show you one of the very spacious unit and very squarish layout of the 5-bedder. Come on, follow me. Cijay at Tampines offers from 1-bedder to the 5-bedders. And my personal favorite is this unit that I'm going to show you right now, which is a 5-bedder consisting of 1,722 square feet. And I love the spaciousness as well as the squarish layout it provides.